Guys, it's Kerry from Wake Alive Empowerment. I'm in this house they're just building right now, and just across the street from my place. And as you can see, they're framing. They're at the wall stage. And it started giving me some ideas about, my life. Back in the day, I was putting a lot of walls up in my life. I was kind of building a foundation in my house, but my house wasn't very healthy. It was kind of like built on sand. And so what happened over the years is I got involved with Authentic Man 33 series. It was a great thing I learned at a men's group, and it really helped me understand what a real man's all about. And I really didn't have an idea. I didn't learn anything in school. My parents were great parents, really didn't give me an idea. I just had to kind of just follow the footsteps from my dad, who was a great guy. But you know what? There were some things that were missing. And of course, you don't learn this stuff at work. And so the series really helped me figure out some unanswered questions I was having. And then I took personal development work, which really, really helped me understand things a lot better about myself and my behaviors, my values, all these kind of things. Control strategies I used that was pushing people away instead of bringing them into my life. I could go on and on. But, guys, I'm having a men's group. It's starting here real quick. And this is like a pub, late at night when they call last call. Well, this is your last call to join our men's group. We've got a few guys signed up, but we could use a few more. So I'm really inviting you guys to do that, to have some faith over fear, to have some courage, to have some strength, because it takes strength to actually say, yeah, I could use some help. I would like to be around some other guys and really try to figure some of these questions I've been struggling with. So as you can see behind me, there's a real nice view. And so that view is just out there, and it's the world out there. And, we kind of lose vision sometimes of what we're really up against. We end up responding to things in unhealthy ways. We react too quickly. We don't take moments of time to really check things out before we respond to it. So this is a good chance, guys, for you guys to sit down, be still. It's a 6-week program every Tuesday night, just to be still for a moment and just really kind of be where you're figuring it out and you're not reacting in healthy ways. And it'll help you respond in a healthier way when it's time to respond. So guys, I hope you guys got this. I hope you guys join in on this last call. I'd love to see you guys. Another thing I'd like to add is that it's on Tuesday nights, but there's a couple guys that can only make Thursday nights. So if you guys could respond to this this video, and if Thursday would work better for you, then please put that down. That'd be really appreciated. Thanks for joining me in this video today, guys. Take care.